Alright, y'all. Here's the next little build on the list. Got a big old Kohler Command Pro 15 going up in this bad boy. Electric start on it. Just got it running. Making up an exhaust right now for it. Cutting up this street bike exhaust. We got it all taken apart. Me and Mr. Mike here. We're just gonna cut it here, shorty it up. We're gonna like plate this, make an exhaust for it. And then we got, thinking about doing it. I had this KTM 85 wheel and the swing arm off of it. Maybe rig something up with that. That's undecided. I got a front wheel too. Definitely have to extend it a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. Hey, Mike, you want to hold this shock up in there for me? Got the old Yamaha Banshee shock I got left over. Basically, we're gonna mount that up. Up on the seat here, just like that. You know, get that Springer seat, get a little suspension out of it. So yeah, we're just messing around with this today. Nice and cold over here in Pennsylvania. But yeah, that's basically it for this. Let you know how it comes out. Alright, y'all, we got this Yoshimura right here. We're about to shorty it up. I don't know if any of you guys ever wondered how to do this on your street bike, whatever. We're slapping it on this badass mini bike here, but we have these bolts here. Normally these are rivets. So what you would do is you just drill the rivets out all the way around, and then you just pop the end cap out, cut it to whatever size you want. But we were lucky enough to have bolts, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it right here. We're gonna slip this back up in there, mark our holes, and drill them out, and just bolt it back in. And then we're gonna start making an adapter to go to the tiny little exhaust on this. I have plenty of blow, but it's got like this little kind of like natural gas pipe deal on there, so we're just gonna get an adapter with a 90. Welded right to that son of a bitch. And then we'll be good to go. Give her a slice, Mike. Give her a slice. Oh, let's see if we can at least try and keep a little bit of the shrapnel out of our little shop here, you know.
Here we go.
Yep. Oh yeah, the old Diablo blade, putting in work. We cut a bunch of fucking stainless with this recently for the Camaro, so she's not doing so hot these days, but this aluminum, fucking mint. All right, Mike, finish her off, bud.
Here we go. And there you go.
Bada bang, bada boom.
Now you got a shorty.
Yep. That'll do. That'll do. So let's get a little sneak peek on the car. Speaking of that stainless we were making. Oh yeah. Little hood exit action. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, twin turbo.
Twin turbs, 427 LSX. You know the deal. Got it on a Holly system now. Some smart coils going. Just a little sneak peek in here. We got it all gutted. Cage is next. Should come together a little bit at a time. Might even fire it up for y'all. We'll see. We'll see.
Little two-step.
Little two-step, maybe. Here it is. Got the shorty all finished up. Got the engine running. Runs, idles, revs up, no issues. So that's good. I'm waiting on a couple parts for this. As you guys seen with the engine there, these little wheels, I mean, they really don't fit. And you know, when you take a tight turn, as you can see, you don't got much room before you start dragging the chain on the ground. So what I did was I ordered up a live axle. So basically the wheel's like locked into the axle and the bearings will be on the outside. And I'll be able to mount my sprocket on the outside. So I'll be able to offset the motor a little bit more in so it's not hanging off the side to get the shaft to line up with this, with the clutch. But had to order that up and got the clutch on the way, the chain and all that stuff. So basically what the game plan is going to be is we're going to extend this probably about 6 inches or so and get the live axle welded in. All that done, then we'll move this brake to make it work. Then after that, the seat will get mounted on a shock, just like I was talking about before. The front, I didn't order a wheel for that yet. Not sure what the plan is with that. We were thinking about maybe just changing the rake on it, making it like a little more chopper. No matter what, it's going to be super, super sketchy, so that's the goal anyway. And yeah, so once we get all those parts in, I'll get another video going on welding it all up, welding that on there. And yeah, we're gonna have one super sketchy mini bike.